Hello, and this is Moschino Land, welcoming you. Hi, and this is me, Xenia. Today we are going to unpack this Moschino Toy Boy miniature set. As long as here not all my collection is represented, and unfortunately part of it is now in another country, in another place, but I'm tending to have duplicated all my perfumes, so I have the full size and the miniature. Here is the original, the first bear. This is not a Moschino toy. He is sitting there, and Moschino Toy 2 female perfume. Here is only in the miniature, 2 milliliters. And the big one is in another place, so we will compare miniatures today. So this is a Moschino Toy Boy. Let's have a look at it and unpack it. It is sealed. I will try to break it. Here it is. So it has a perfumed shower gel, bath and shower gel, perfumed aftershave balm, and a miniature of Moschino Toy Boy. Here it is. So let's look at it. It's very cute, and let's compare it with a girly. I'm not collecting male perfumes, so I'm not very interested in it myself, but I have the whole female collection. So let's compare the miniatures. Here they are, a boy and a girl. They are both very, very lovely. The white background and the black background. Here it is. And it is opening like that. The smell is very nice, by the way, and why in general, one of the reasons I got interested in it, because I have heard feedback that many girls are using this perfume as a female perfume, so I was curious to try it, and as long as I love this perfume a lot, honestly more than the first Moschino toy, so I decided just to have them together. There will be a couple, or brother and a sister, and they have a big bear also, so it will be their mother. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you.